Hi guys, my name's Neville Chase. I'm the team leader for FM World UK Business Partners. I'm also linked into Team Desire, which is another group where there are another couple of leaders help out. So if I'm not about, they can help my team too. I'm running today making today a quick video for the incentives. A lot of people know that when you sell FM products, you get 33% as an instant commission on that, and if you build a team you get 21% of anything that they do, but a lot of people miss out on the incentives that FM also offer to increase your income. In fact, quite a lot of income. So I want to cover those so that my team and anyone else watching this are aware of the extras that you can get. So as you can see, I'm on the FM World UK main website. I've logged into my business partner zone. If you go down the side, more or less down to the bottom, you'll find the incentives for 2018, and you can click on these to open them up, which I've done already to make it easier for me. So we start off with Smart Start. Smart Start is for people who literally are starting. It's an offer that's open for the first 10 days when people join, so make sure that you know about this, or your new team member knows about this option. If we take like perfumes, okay, it's not just the perfumes that you see here. We actually have 150 fragrances that you can pick from. The Pure collection, our regular price that we normally pay for that is £9.50. We sell it for £13.50. But during your first 10 days, you can buy those for £6.65. That gives you over 100% profit, which gives you a good kickstart to your business, which is the whole point of it. If we move down to makeup products, there's a number of makeup products. Again, you can buy at a much lower price and gives you a good 100% profit on those. It also includes Ariel coffee and teas. The metabolism one there is our best seller for coffee, simply because it makes people lose weight really, really fast. In fact, don't overdrink it because you'll lose too much weight, which is not good for you. And then of course we've got the high-end products, which also again you can buy at 30% off and make more than 100% profit. These are still within the makeup and perfume zone here, but it also includes a couple of products from our NutriCode. NutriCode is also exclusive to FM, the same as the tea and coffees, Ariel. And our best seller for obvious reasons is our Slim Extreme. We would normally pay £40 for that and sell it for £60. During your first 10 days, you can buy those for £28. Again, more than 100% profit when you sell those. And that covers that. Alright, so your first 10 days, don't miss out on your Smart Start offers. Then you got Fast Start. Doesn't help, in fact, it's more or less the same name. If you actually do really well and you sell a lot and you get to 15% within your second month, you'll get a cash bonus of £400. You don't have to ask for any of these. They're automatically paid to you. Okay, and if you manage to do 21% by your third month, you'll get a cash bonus of £800. So that's £1,200 in your first 3 months you can achieve if you want to. If you're a bit slower than that, they don't want you to lose out. And if you make it to your 15% by your third month, you'll still get a reward of £200 and maintain that for the fourth month, and then reach 21% by the fifth month, you'll get £400. So that's still £600 on the table. Okay, so don't, again, lose out on that. You've got Stairway to Success. If you manage to do 9%, 9%, 9% for 3 months, you will get a bonus of £70. Not forgetting that if you reach 9% any month, you'll automatically get a bonus of £60. So the reality of that is you'll get £60, £60, £60, and on top of that £180 that you've just earned, you'll get a bonus of £70. If you achieve 12% for 3 months, it's 120, 15, 180, 18, 250, 21, 400. More interesting is if you're super good and you manage to do your 9% and then you jump basically up to 21%, you're not going to lose out on all those other payments. If you've done your 9% in the April, say, and you've done the next 2 months at 9%, you'll still get your £70 bonus. If you jump straight up to 21%, you'll still get your 120, 180, 250 and £400 bonuses for the 12, 15, 18 and 21%. You'll get all of that in one go, £950. You're not going to lose out by increasing from 9% to 21% straight away. You'll not lose the money. So there's actually £120 there on offer, other than the fact that you're also going to be paid commission on everything you've sold, and you're also going to, like I said here, on the 9% you're going to get your £60 a month bonus, 21%. I can't remember what it is off the top of my head, and I should know that. I apologise, but you're going to get those bonuses as well. So again, there's a lot of money on top of the normal commission available to you on Stairway to Success. Then we've got Points Mania. Again, if you achieve a level of 400 points on selling perfume, you'll get one bottle at a reduced price. You'll get one bottle at the price basically you pay for it for the Fast Start, where you get another 30% off. And if you achieve 400 in the second month, you can have 2 bottles at a reduced price. If you do it again in the third month, 3 bottles. If you're achieving 1200 points, you'll get 3 bottles, 6, 9. If we take just the 400, with all those amounts that you're going to get off by the end of the year, though, at the end of the year at 400, you can get 11 bottles with £31 off. The total saving, if you achieve that every month, is over £180, and that's just profit to you. Okay, so that's another one to keep an eye on. Voucher Hunter. Voucher Hunter, if you achieve 1,500 points, the points, just explain, everything you sell has a points value to it. So when you go into your business partner shop and you buy something at a lower price, it also gives you the amount of points you're earning. Points are in cash value equivalent to about 20p, but you want them for these bonuses as well. So as I say, if you achieve 1,500 and you do that for 5 months in a row, you'll get a bonus voucher for £150 that you can spend on product. Okay, up to 3,000 points a month for 5 months, you'll get a voucher for 300. Not forgetting that if you're doing really well, you can actually open up to 12 different accounts in your own name. That allows you, if you're doing really well and you're doing your 3,000 on one of your accounts, you can have one of your sort of lower accounts doing the 1,500. You could earn £450 that month if you want to on the vouchers. And the other thing to remember is if you can do it for 5 months and get it, and you've done that already and there's still another 5 months, 6 months in the year, you can do it again. Alright? So again, I'm sorry this is really fast, but you can go on the website and check this all out yourself. Become a mobile leader. FM help you to have your own car. If you achieve, you've got a team and you're doing 21%, and together your team are creating you into your account 4,000 points, FM will pay £170 towards the lease of any car you want. You don't. Last year it was a Peugeot. At the moment it can be any car, doesn't matter. So if you achieve that, if you get to 40,000 points with your team, you can get yourself a car. That's good. It gets better. When you get to 50,000 points, you become what's called a Pearl Orchid, and you get a one-off bonus of £500. As you go up these, you can see if you get right up to the top, you can get a cash bonus of £15,000, and there are a few people that have achieved that already. But if you've also reached £50,000, you can go for a lease on a Mercedes. And with the Mercedes, you get a cash bonus every month paid by FM for you for your lease. So it's £200 a month. But an interesting thing to think about is if on the mobile one you reach 40,000 and they will give you £170. Okay, it's not going to take you much longer to get to the 50,000. Your business is already taking off. The difference is only £30 between the two. Personally, if I get to the 40,000, I will get my Mercedes there and then. You've only got to find £30 for a few months to reach the 50,000, and then they pay you the 200 anyway. That's just a personal thing, but that's what I would do. Again, that was very fast. The point is, all those things are there on the main website in your business partner zone under incentives. I ask you to go and look at those, learn those, and make sure that you can explain those to people that are maybe wanting to join your team. There's a lot of people at the moment are sort of saying, oh yeah, if you sell stuff you're going to get 33% commission, and if you build a team you're going to get 21% commission. If you get a big team, that's a lot of money, but there is so much more available through these incentives, so please learn them and please be able to explain them to other people wanting to join your team. Anyway, thanks for listening. See you later. Bye.